Hello sir, I hope you are well. Now I show you how to add rental product in your website. For adding in for adding rental product in your website, first we go to our dashboard, then we want to click inventory, then click all inventory. Here is our all inventory, then I click add new inventory. After that, here will be our inventory name. Suppose our inventory name is so this is our inventory name, and this is I show you demi purpose. This is our demi inventory, and our set quantity, we have lots of quantity, and then we click huge. Then it will be our set pricing, and pricing will be flat hour pricing. Then it will count hourly. This is our pricing, and click general hour. Then we include price. Suppose this product booking price is 1000. Okay. uh, we don't need others for here, just we click publish. After that, we go to our all product option, then we add new product. We will put our same title, same product title. Then here is our all description. For adding description, we can add some dummy image here. Just we include, just for example, I include some, they are dummy images for this product. And if we want this image will large, we can click here and control A, click all, select left, then we can click here to large. It will be give you big image size, and after saving it will quality automatically increased. Okay, look like this. We will increase this product. Okay, and after that we will set product data. Product data will be rental product. Click rental product, and here we'll click inventory. Then we put our product title. This is our demi product. That's what it was. I create our inventory option. I click here, and here put our category. It will be water sports category. Then click product image. It will be feature image, and try to feature image size is 600 into 400 pixel. 600 into 400 pixel is perfect size for our website. Then we click it for feature image. Then if we have gallery image, we can also add this here. This is not required. And now I click to publish. Then I select this is waterpool category. Then I reload this. I click this waterpool water sports, and here is our demi product. We can add all product and similar type. Then I click here. This is our product, and this is product description. Here is all product images, and here is booking functionality, but here some option here is missing. So let's find out this. A date time picker, but here is some place option missing. For adding place option, we go to our inventory, to all inventory, and click this product inventory to, this is our demi product. Click to edit, and we want to select, yes, we want to select a pickup location. It's Abu Dhabi, Dubai. We select all pickup and drop off locations. After that, I click update. Then I reload this product. Yes, we get this option successful. And there is pickup location, row plate, and suppose time is 20. pick up 5 p.m. 20. For I try to booking for 2 hours per hours 100 1000. Then I click to 7 p.m. for 2 hours, and here is show 2000. This is for 2 hours. If I need for 3 hours, it will be increased automatically 3000. I think I hope you can edit now easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.